in the UK, which means I'm lazy and work shy and all of that, despite the fact that I do have a degree, I volunteer, and I've worked 5 months of free labour since I graduated. Now, they're not really, I mean, that's not really something I'm proud of, because that's a job that should be filled by someone with a wage. We shouldn't allow the exploitation of young people who are so desperate to find work that they will work in private companies for free. So the message that the Youth Fight for Jobs campaign wants to get across is that young people are not lazy, despite what the politicians will say to try and hide the fact that they have caused youth unemployment themselves. So the message is to David Cameron and his loyal pet Clegg, and of course to Ed Miliband, who's been against the strike action and has joined in with the anti-young people propaganda, that they're wrong and that we're not going to let them get away with it. And we also want to say to everybody who is following the propaganda, for everybody who agrees that it's young people who are to blame, to look at all the young people here today who have marched a very long way. We've all got blisters, and some of us have complained more than others, admittedly. But it's been worthwhile, but it's also sent a very clear message to those people to look again at what your attitudes are towards the young unemployed, because you might find that you're very wrong. But possibly most importantly, it's to say to any young people who find themselves in the same position I am, who find themselves long-term unemployed and completely running out of any hope of finding work, that you have a campaign that is willing to support you and will stand by you no matter what, to help you in your fight and in solidarity with the trade unions and other socialist groups. So I would urge those people, get involved with the Youth Fight for Job campaign, and if you can, come on the Gero March, because it's going to be this but 100 times more exciting. Thank you very much.